Welcome to Literature by Arika. Today I'll start with another poem by A.K. Ramanujan named The Striders. I'll start with the poem first. And search for certain thin-stemmed, bubble-eyed water bugs. See them perch on dry capillary legs, weightless, on the ripple skin of a stream. Not only prophets walk in water, the bug sits on a landslide of light and drowns eye deep into its tiny strip of the skin. Now I'll start with the writer's introduction. A.K. Ramanujan was born in 1929 and died in 1993. He was a poet, translator, folklorist and philologist. Though he wrote widely and in a number of genres, Ramanujan's poems are remembered as enigmatic works of startling originality, sophistication and moving artistry. Issues such as hybridity and transculturation figure prominently in such collections, such as The Striders, Selected Poems, and Second Sight. In 1976, the Indian government honored him with the title Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award in the country. Context-sensitive thinking influenced Ramanujan as a folklorist. Okay, and we'll start with the poem's introduction. The Striders is a poem written by A.K. Ramanujan in 1966. In this, he talks about the Indian sensibilities of the people and the life with the cultures and ethics they have been following. Now, the summary. In this poem, he describes the behavior of water bug. He's searching for ideas to write more poetry. He's looking for a bubble or idea, but there's no performance of things in his life like that of bug or things that letted idea to happen. Even a weak idea or ray of tiny hope to write poetry would be enough. He is not able to frame his words or emotions or idea so that he can write poetry and deal with many problems he's surrounded with. So basically he wants to find that single idea because he's having club of thoughts, like million thoughts or a zillion thoughts he's having. So he wants to have that one thought on which he can write the entire poetry, and that thought is a bug which he wants to write. Okay, the flow of his life that he is not able to create something he wants to. He is searching for water bug or insect, and as soon as it comes, it creates ripples, and if that comes in his mind, then he will create ripples in his mind. He has so many ideas that generates and creates vibrations in his life. Later, he is talking about human life, that prophets can walk on water, bug can walk on water easily too. Like both of them can walk on water, either human or the bug or his thoughts. Bug has no sense of danger, and people nowadays are able to walk on water and create reflection on water which looks like a landslide. Okay, bug has the capacity to sit on water as if it's having supernatural power, which is unbelievable. Poet too wants to write such a poetry which is totally unbelievable yet stay permanent. He wants his bubble or idea to take full shape into a perfect poetry, and that's how the poem ends. It is a very short poem by A.K. Ramanujan, though it has a very deep meaning to it, that every person or every other poet wants, that he has that one thought through which he can write an entire poetry, can shape an entire poetry of his, which A.K. Ramanujan is not able to. So you can see that though he is not able to form a proper idea, yet he was able to write the entire poetry. That it's a bug which is his thoughts, and it's creating ripples when it comes in his head. Okay, so till then, do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.